Welcome everyone. Here is how to enroll your iPhone for the iOS 27 developer beta. First, it's highly recommended you create a backup either in iTunes or in the iCloud backup option in your settings, because if iOS 27 sucks, you will only be able to downgrade while preserving your data if you have that backup created in iOS 26. Once that's done, we can now open up our Safari browser, and I want you to head to this link right here, developer.apple.com. On this page, you want to tap the sign in button at the top right, and if you don't see this option, tap the double lines and then that sign in option should appear. Sign in with the same Apple account which is currently in your iPhone. After you have signed in, just tap your profile picture at the top right, and then you're just going to tap on the account option. If you see this Apple developer screen, you just need to agree to the Apple developer agreement. If you don't see this option, you've done it in the past. We do not need to choose enroll today, as that is for the paid program. You only need the free developer. Now, once this is done, we can head into our software update area of settings, and you will have the new beta updates option. iOS 27 Beta 1 releases later today, and I'll put the release time on screen. So if you're watching this before then, you won't have the 27 beta option. And so just wait around that time, and then you can just swipe the page down to refresh, and that will refresh your beta updates option where you'll see iOS 27 developer beta. It's also advised to head into privacy and security and just verify that the lockdown mode is turned off, because if this is on, you won't get the beta updates option. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.